Changes in transport. We are going to learn how our transport changed from old time to this time. The day by day changes in our transport. First we learn what is meant by transport. Means of transport help us to travel from one place to another. We use different means of transport depending on the distance to be traveled. These are the types of transport from old days. This is a bullock car. In the early times, the means of transport were very simple and slow. Over the years, they have improved greatly. This man is travel from one place to another with the help of horses. Older means of transport. In earlier times, people either walked from place to place and often took help of animals to travel and carry things. In earlier times, if people want to travel small distance, then they was traveling through walk, and if they want to travel long distance, then they use animals. With the help of animals like camel, horse, elephant, donkeys, they travel long distance. These are the example of small distance through walking. However, the invention of wheel made traveling much easier. Wheels enabled people to use animals-drawn carts to carry people and things around. Members of royal families traveled in horse-drawn carriage. Soldiers traveled and fought battles on horsebacks. Since ancient times, camels have been a common medium of travel and transportation in the desert areas around the world. Kings took help of elephants in the battlefields. Even today, in forest areas, people take help of elephants to carry heavy logs of goods. Modern means of transport. As time passed, many new advanced modes of transport came in use. Even though we still take help of animals in carrying things, most journeys now made are with the help of vehicles or modern means of transport. The types of modern means of transports are land transport, water transport and air transport. The transport through land are called land transport and the transport through water called water transport and the transport through air called air transport. These are the examples of land transport. Car, train, scooter, bus, bicycles are the land transport. These are the means of water transport. We can travel the distance through water with the help of boat, yacht, motorboat, cruise. And the example of air transport are aeroplane, helicopter. We can travel the long distance through air with the help of aeroplane and helicopter. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Fun and Learn by Sharvi.